Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today our topic is Cisco Discovery Protocol. So CDP protocol is a Cisco property protocol basically that is that is designed to share the information and discover the Cisco devices that are directly connected. Okay, if I talk about the CDP protocol, so CDP forwards the messages in between the routers that shares the multiple information, and that information includes the local interface, like on which interface the CDP is running, a remote interface, and the platform, which type of device is there, the capability, IP address of neighbor, and the VLAN information or duplex mismatch warnings can also be there. Okay. Well, CDP is a layer 2 protocol that works over the data link layer 2 of the OSI model, and it works over the point to point connections. Okay. Well, CDP protocol does the device discovery that allows you to discover the Cisco devices that is connecting. Okay. It helps in network topology mapping and troubleshooting also. Okay, dear. Let's talk about the CDP protocol. The information collected by the CDP protocol, the packet that will be forwarded that are forwarded by the CDP protocol forwards the multiple information. The information are device ID, local interface, remote interface in which the interface of neighbor device will be there, platform like which type of device we are using, capability like either it is switch router, whatever is that, IP address of the neighbor also collected, and on version 2 of CDP the VLAN information can also be there, what type of native VLAN and so on. Duplex mismatch warning can also be forwarded in case of version 2 of CDP protocol. Okay, dear. What are the features of CDP protocol? The packet that is having the information will be forwarded in every 60 seconds, and these are called the advertisement messages that contains the device information. Okay, so CDP is protocol independent, that is independent of layer 3 protocols like IP or IPX. Okay, it supports the multiple protocol like IP address, VLAN, and other protocol related information. There are two versions of CDP protocol. What are these? Basic information exchange, and in version 2, it is forwarding the VTP domain details, native VLAN, mismatch detection, and so on. Okay, so version 2 is quite advanced as compared to version 1. Okay. So what are the information shared by the CDP protocol? We already told you that device ID, local interface, and so on. Okay. Let's talk about the CDP protocol timers. Okay. So we have two types of timers in CDP protocol. First one is called CDP timer that forward in every 60 seconds, that is often used for the CDP advertisement in which all the information will be forwarded. Second one is CDP hold time. Okay. If the neighbor information will not be collected, it will wait for 180 seconds to get the response from neighbor. If no response from the neighbor, the whole time will be expired and the entry will be removed. The entry of the neighbor will be automatically removed from the table. Let us assume, dear, we have connected the two routers with a cable. Okay. After connecting them, the CDP protocol will automatically start work. Okay, it will take some time to boot up. Okay, so after booting up, no. Okay, enable show CDP neighbor. So it will not show any CDP neighbor because because in case of routers we have to turn on the interfaces. Okay, how we can do that? Go to global configuration mode, select the interface g 0/0/0, no shutdown. So after this command it will start forwarding the messages from both sides. Okay, let me turn on the interfaces, enable configuring terminal, interface g 0/0/0. Okay, no shutdown. So you can see that the interfaces has been turned up, and now the CDP protocol is working. CDP protocol is forwarding the data. Here we got the CDP header in which multiple information can be forwarded. Okay, dear. So let's observe this packet. Go to the router, put a command show CDP. Okay. So the packet of CDP will be forwarded in every 60 seconds and it has a hold on time of 180 seconds. Currently CDP version 2 is by default enable. Okay. Show CDP neighbor, it will show you all the information related to the neighbor. Here we got all the details in which we have the neighbor ID, the neighbor's host name is there, neighbor's host name is router. Okay, local interface is gig 0/0/1. The neighbor, the local interface means interface of the local device where the CDP is running. Okay, hold on time, it is showing 153 second remaining. Okay, 122 second remaining. After every 60 second it will be automatically become 180. Okay, capability, that is a router having a platform ISR 4300 series of router, that is port ID gig 0/0/0. It is showing all the details of the neighbor. Okay, dear. So these are the command used for the same. Okay, to enable the CDP globally, we have a command enable CDP globally. Okay, or if you want to disable the CDP protocol, you have to put a command no CDP run. No CDP run command is used for the same. Okay, let's go to the router. Okay, and let's try to disable the CDP protocol. Okay, how we can do that? No CDP, sorry, go to global configuration mode, no CDP run. Okay, so the CDP packet will not be forwarded in between these. Okay, let's go to other router also, block the CDP, no CDP run. Okay, so we have disabled the CDP protocol from everywhere. Show CDP. Okay, so CDP is not enabled. Show CDP neighbor. So CDP neighbor will not be shown here. So go to global configuration mode and allow the CDP protocol. So CDP run will enable the CDP protocol. Okay, let's go to other router also, router 0, and enable the CDP protocol. Go to global configuration mode, CDP run. So it will allow the CDP packet to be forwarded. Here we can see that the CDP packet will start work again, will start to forward in between the routers and will start collecting the information. So CDP neighbor. So neighbor information will be automatically collected. Okay, dear. Let's go to this router, go to global configuration mode, configuring terminal, host name, router 2. We are changing the host name on router 2. Let's go to router number 1. So here you can see that it is showing its own information. Okay, let's fast forward this. So after 60 seconds, when the new updates will be received, the host name will be changed from router to router 2. Okay, so all the information collected by the neighbor will be available over here. Let's change the name from this router also. Go to global configuration mode, host name router 1. So after 60 seconds, the information will be updated on this router. Okay, show CDP neighbor. So it is showing the router name as router 1. Okay, so we have other we have other commands also like show CDP neighbor detail. In that the detail information will be collected from the neighbor. Okay, show CDP neighbor detail. Okay, so here we got the detailed information of the neighbor. Okay, let's put another command. Okay, show CDP entry. Okay, show CDP entry, and in this we can observe the name like CDP entry R1. Okay, so there is no entry over here. Entry, let's put a star. Okay, so there is only one neighbor over here. To get the specific detail for the neighbor, we can put this command. Okay, put a command show CDP interface. Okay, so it is showing what is going on here. VLAN 1 is administratively down. Okay, hold on time is 180 second. Gigabit port is working. So here we can see that the CDP is enabled over only a single interface, that is gig interface 0/0/0, and on others the CDP protocol is down. Okay, so by this command show CDP interface we can observe what how many interfaces are working. Okay, show CDP traffic. Well, this command will not work over here. So to use this command, we have to go to the GNS3, I think. Yeah. So this command will not work over here. To observe the traffic also, you can put this command, show CDP traffic basically. Okay. So well, in case of known Cisco devices, if you don't want to use the CDP protocol, because CDP protocol is not working non-Cisco devices, you can use the LLDP protocol. So let's discuss about the LLDP protocol here. So LLDP protocol is an open standard protocol. CDP protocol is a Cisco property. Both of these are layer 2 protocol. LLDP protocol has a default timer of 30 seconds. CDP has 60 seconds. Hold on time for the CDP protocol is 180 seconds. For the LLDP protocol is 120 seconds. So CDP protocol is only enabled over the Cisco devices, but LLDP is open standard, and VLAN information also shared by both of these. Okay, so there is only a one difference in between these. If you want to use the CDP over the multi vendor, so you have to go to LDP protocol. Okay, dear. So that is all about the CDP protocol. So if you have any confusion, please let me know in the comments. Okay, and have a nice day to you all.